this like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. You can see on the screen property location. Which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 3. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So, you can see on the screen. Please be required to present photo ID at check-in. Duration of the property is 5 years. Local job discount. 3 categories of rooms are available online. And enjoy your stay. Several days around are available online for this property along with videos and packages policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you need more details, check this